Come on, Ricky.
Let's go, Ricky.
Let's go.
All right, Garrett. Yep. Good job. Now do what we said. Go back to the over-under. Yep. Got to get under that leg.
Come on, Ricky.
Got to get under that leg, Garrett.
Let's go, Ricky. Come on, Ricky. Come on, Ricky. Take it, Ricky.
Swim under, swim under. Yep, step over, step over, step over. Good, nice swim. Good patience, Garrett. Let's direct those knees to the side. Direct his knees inside where you come through.
Yes. Down and over. Yes.
Go to that over-under pass. Swim under his leg with your right hand. Swim under his leg with your right hand. Watch your neck. Protect your neck.
That's great. Now sit up.
Yeah.
Come on, Heavy.
You gotta clear your legs. Now come underneath. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Good, Garrett. Don't let him straighten that arm out. Yep. Stay strong. Good job. Good job.
Underhook. Trap that underhook.
Try to get into that over-under pass again. Got to get under his leg there. Get in that over-under, Garrett. You got to hug his leg.
Let's do something with these guys. Okay. I'll roll this.
You got this, Ricky.
Leg drag. Leg drag. Leg drag. Points. Good points matter now. Heavy, heavy. Good job. Good job. There you go. Cross face hard. Cross face hard. Compress your shoulder.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Turn your elbow in. Turn your elbow down. Turn your elbow down. Pull your arm out. Pull your arm right out. Turn your elbow down. Pull your arm out. Good job. Good job. Good job. Leg drag. Pull that leg across your hips. Pull that leg across your hips. Grab his ankle and pull it across.
You gotta get your head on the inside if you want to sweep. John, you need to initiate more. This is a passivity warning.
2 minutes, Ricky.
Above the shoulder. Above the shoulder. Above the shoulder. Good time.
Elbow down and pull it out. Elbow down and pull it out. Good job. Pummel in. Pummel underneath. Good. Let's get in that. Let's look for the leg drag. Here, grab his leg and pull it across. Leg drag. Yes. There you go. Good. Heavy now. Heavy. Good. Good. There you go. Nice. Settle there. Settle there. Good job. Now you got your points.
We've got a minute and 20 seconds.
Let's go, Ricky.
Now let's work up cross face. Cross face. Good. Pop his elbow over your face.
Put your elbow
Put your chest in his shoulder. Come to his back if he turns too much. Stay on him. Yep. North, south, north, south.
Okay, right arm across. Yes. Open your left leg.
Get your legs out of his legs and come underneath.
No, outside. Left leg to the outside.
Scoop underneath. You got 45 seconds.
Again.
All right, Garrett, stay strong here. Stay on top, Garrett. Stay on top. Stay on top, Garrett. Stay on top. Finish that. Take him down. Good job. Watch the guillotine. Right arm over his shoulder.
Right. Let's go. You
Pick him up. Pick up that leg.
Connect your hands.
You got 20 seconds, Garrett. You're on top of point still.
Hey, your chest is doing the work there. Put your left hand underneath the chin. Let's go.
Protect your neck. You're fine.
Cap and long.
You got 10 seconds.
Get out.
Shot.
Down now, take it out.
Go. Even
6 seconds.
Nice, Garrett. 3, 2, 1.